Hello, hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss NVIDIA SN5600 series of switch. Though this switch is end of support and end of sale, because the newer model is SN5600D or 6600LD. But it is important to discuss this model in order to better understand the NVIDIA platforms, right? So now this switch is not a normal top of the rack kind of a switch. It is, if you see the connectors, it has a 64 800 gig port, so that itself will tell you this is not a normal enterprise switch. It is mainly used in GPUs, server or storage system, or very high speed leaf switches, where the you exchange traffic with consistent performance. Now the very first strong point, as I said earlier, it is has 64 ports of 800 gig, and it is two within 2 RU chassis, right? So if you see this one, this is only has a 2 RU. The bottom one is first RU and the upper one is the second. Now the other thing is, those 64 ports can also be broken out into 128 ports of 400 gig or 256 lower speed interfaces. Now this gives architects flexibility when moving from existing 100 gig or 400 gig infrastructure, right? Now the second strong point which I want to emphasize is, this is just not about the port speed capacity of 64 ports 800 gig. It comes with many different consistent synchronization of traffic bus. So if in a GPU cluster you will see many GPU server may be sending the traffic towards the one common destination. So in those cases the load of the traffic is too much high. Now if you go to the product vendor page of this SN5600, and if you go to the specification here, it will tell you the main features of this switch, which is about the so this we already discussed, right? It can We can break out the ports. However, where it was in the introduction, yeah, this is the front view and the rear view. Yes, it's here. Now that is the third strongest point here is, it comes with the NVIDIA product family, which or NVIDIA frameworks. Now it has a blue field DPUs, right? I'll show you where this was. Yeah. See, it comes with connect X network adapters and bluefit super nick, right? And link X cable, right? Link X interconnects, and optics. Now it also forms the part of the NVIDIA Spectrum-X Ethernet platform. So SN58 which is also key component of NVIDIA Spectrum-X Ethernet networking platform. Now that matter because the AI network performance depend on the complete path between the GPU server and the switch, not only the switch specification, because the switch itself become the part of the infra of the GPU cluster. It is not a separate switch or a separate server. No, it become the part of your GPU infra. Now this platform runs a Cumulus operating system, and you can also simulate that with the NVIDIA Air. It's a simulation platform where you can create a digital, like basically a topology, and before you implement in your data center network, which give us the lot of flexibility. Now as I said earlier, this is end of support, end of sale, but why it is important, because this is the first kind of a switches which comes with the that much of bandwidth and 800 gig ports capacity, and with the NVIDIA Spectrum system. um, right. So if we go through this one, it gives us, later on we can easily understand the other NVIDIA switches, which is NVIDIA 5600 LD or 6800 LD, or 6600 LD, the newer switches, and 6810 LD. Now, thank you so much again, guys, for watching my videos. Thank you and have a great day.